You wouldn't believe that this turns into this.
We boil it, beat, and dye it to perfection.
The world's most unique paper, harvested from nature's giants.
But to understand the magic, we must start at the source. Come with me. In the heart of the jungle, nature leaves behind a gift. What many see as waste, we see as potential. Rich in fiber, this is the foundation of our craft. Collected with respect for the gentle giants. The journey from forest floor to factory begins. The drying process eliminates moisture and odor. Only the strongest fibers remain. Flowers turn into purified material. Patience is the artisan's greatest tool. Dry, odorless, and ready for transformation.
The cleansing begins.
Water is the catalyst. Rehydration prepares the fiber for boiling, washing away the impurities.
Fire brings purity.
High heat is essential for sterilization. The transfer must be swift.
Breaking down the tough cellulose.
Natural softeners help separate the strands. Hours of boiling ensure total cleanliness. The fiber softens, yielding its strength. Timing is everything in this craft.
The boil is complete.
Now, it is no longer waste. It is raw material.
Cooling locks in the fiber's integrity.
Ready for the next stage of evolution.
We combine the old with the new.
The Hollander beater will blend our recipe.
Powering up for the transformation.
Water is the canvas for our mixture.
The elephant fiber provides texture, dispersing evenly through the liquid.
Recycled paper adds brightness and bond.
A perfect marriage of materials. Fraying the edges so they interlock.
The consistency must be like warm oatmeal.
A natural binding agent ensures strength. Smooth, uniform, and ready. Silence falls as the pulp rests. Harvesting the liquid paper.
The story of the fiber is still visible.
Heavy with water and potential.
Now, we bring color to the canvas.
Colors drawn from the earth itself.
Dividing the batch for different hues.
A touch of indigo sky.
Folding the color in by hand.
Saturation is key.
Turmeric for the golden sun.
A triad of possibilities.
Moving to the formation tank.
Diluting the pulp for the lift.
Creating a suspension of fibers.
The decal determines the shape.
Ready to catch the paper.
Into the depths. The dive.
The critical moment of formation.
The water leaves, the fiber stays. The shake locks the fibers together.
A sheet is born.
Perfecting the surface.
Transferring to the couching felt. The transfer requires pressure. A clean release.
Texture tells the origin story.
Layering for protection.
Repeat the rhythm. Golden sheets emerge.
Building the stack. One by one, the pile grows.
A day's work in a single tower.
Preparing for the press.
press will squeeze out the water.
Applying tons of pressure.
Weeping out the moisture.
The compression is done.
To the drying walls.
Delicate yet resilient.
Brushing out the wrinkles.
Heat sets the bond.
A mosaic of drying paper.
Nature finishes the job.
Tightening and strengthening.
The harvest.
Translucent and textured.
The fibers create a constellation.
Imperfectly perfect.
Into the artisan's studio.
Smoothing the rough surface. Polished for the pen. Precision is required.
A clean cut.
Uniform and ready.
Creasing the fold.
Binding the story together.
Secured.
A tribute to the source.
From the jungle floor to the writer's desk. Pride in the process.
The cycle is complete.
Sustainable, beautiful, elephant dung paper.